Today on Designing Spaces, we'll meet the Medina family, who's upgrading their home entertainment system with new technology from Tablo TV. Helping keep your grass stay green, BioAdvanced offers weed and feed products that are superior end-to-end solutions for your lawn. Plus, learn how eCloth can clean and disinfect your home from top to bottom. Time to design. Today on Designing Spaces, we're heading to Tampa, Florida, and teaming up with Tablo to learn how everyone can enjoy watching and recording TV for free, including shows from the most popular networks and live sports. Meet the Medina family.
My name is Lily.
And I'm Mauer.
And we have a 3-year-old Zane. We are originally from Miami. We moved here 3 years ago to the Tampa Bay area.
We did it through mid-COVID. So yeah, it was challenging, but definitely it was the perfect decision that we've ever made. Well, we typically wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. The little man is a clock. You know, we put some TV for him while we're getting everything ready, and then obviously take him to the daycare. We go to work, then come back from work.
I start getting food ready. Mauer likes to sit on the couch with Zane so I can get the food started, and they like to watch movies together.
You know, we're streamers. We don't get to see any live TV or anything like that, which is something that we miss, you know, live news, live sports. The other day I was at my brother-in-law's house. We were watching the Bucks game, and all of a sudden we paused the game. We went to go get some snacks, came back, he clicked play again. You know, we didn't miss the play, first of all, and then second of all, I asked him what device he had, and he said Tablo, which is great. I was like, okay, well, I'm interested. How do I get it?
I was intrigued and I looked online and I started noticing that they have some of the channels that I like to watch. One of them is Ion, since I am a crime junkie. So that is something that really brought my attention. And we are a big Cuban family and we like to spend time together on the weekends.
So now with Abuela and Abuelo coming over, you know, with the current setup, we don't have any Spanish channels that they can watch. So now with Tablo, we get to see them enjoy these, you know, all these Spanish channels, Telemundo, Univision, which is nice.
So we're looking forward to setting it up right away.
Tablo Ambassador Justin Hyatt is on his way to the Medina's home to help get them set up so they can start enjoying their favorite shows right away.
Hey, Lily.
Nice to meet you.
Mauer.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming over and helping us set this up.
I'm excited. You ready to do this?
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Okay, Lily, Mauer, we got everything out of the box. So let me explain what we're looking at here. We've got our Tablo device, which is going to connect to our whole home network. Our antenna, which of course is going to pick up all of our local channels. Our coax cable, that's what connects the Tablo device to our antenna. Ethernet cable, if we want to make sure that we connect the Tablo device directly to our router. And of course, our power cable. Do we have any questions?
No.
All right, next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and grab basically our startup guide. And on the front here is going to be a QR code. Can I use one of your phones? Okay, so with Lily, you're going to go ahead and use your camera app, and we're going to scan that, and it's going to take you to our Tablo TV app. Once we download that, we're going to go ahead and basically get it all set up. The next thing, of course, is going to be walking step by step. What we already see inside the app here is it's going to tell us now to find the most optimal place to put the antenna. All right, this is it in all of its glory. So compact, easy to put together. So the next thing is we're gonna go ahead and grab this and of course our power cable and walk over to the window that it told us to set it up in. All right, let's do it. We're at the location that the app told us to put it, and that's where it points to those broadcast towers. So we're gonna go ahead and get it set up.
So before you do that,
okay,
we're eventually gonna be changing our windows. Is this something that is permanent, or are we gonna be able to remove it and put it on the new windows?
Great question. So that's what's nice about this. There's no need for a drill. You don't have to put any holes in the wall. All you need are the 2 3M sticky tapes that are in the back right here, and then you just go ahead and stick it onto this window. So once you go replace these existing windows for the new ones, you then do the same exact process for the setup again. All right, so let's go ahead and put it right up here on the window. Using that little adhesive tape, we just stick it right here, and now you've got your antenna set up exactly where it's gonna live. When we wanna clean up this cord, it also comes with these little cord clips so we can feed this cord and hide it away, make it look even cleaner. Okay, so we've finished what we would call our hardware setup. Next thing we're gonna do is our software setup, which is gonna be finishing on the app. So we kind of started on your phone, so we'll finish doing that on your phone right now. Okay, so now we've got it all set up. The next thing we want to do is we want to actually get this connected to our Tablo device, and then the Tablo device hooked up to your home Wi-Fi network. So that's what we're going to do now. So hardware's already set up. Next thing we do is we're going to connect to the Tablo device. And there we go. Then after that, we're gonna now connect the Tablo device to our whole home network, our Wi-Fi. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna scan the channels. We're gonna find what channels are gonna be available in our area. So we'll hit scan. Now, as it's scanning through, we can already start to see some of them pop in. Our local channels, PBS, boom. 105 channels for you for free that you're not even paying for all over the airways.
Now, how many devices can we watch these channels on?
Yeah, so that's the great part about having Tablo is since it's connected to your Wi-Fi, you can now watch on your phone, on your Roku stick, on your living room television, the Fire Stick in your bedroom, and of course, even with Zane, he can be watching on his iPad, all on those different devices.
Now, we pay for several subscriptions. Do we have to pay for this one?
Yeah, great question too, because I heard that you are all streamers, meaning you pay enough for all of your other streaming services.
Yes.
You don't have to sign up for a contract. There's no monthly fees. There's no subscriptions. You get all of this for free. So what we like to say at Tablo is you pay once, you watch forever.
So one of the things I noticed at my brother-in-law's house was he paused the game in mid-live.
Yeah, well, I think that was one of the things that caught your eye to begin with, right? That's the beauty of having Tablo TV is that you can pause live TV, you can record live TV, you can rewind live TV. So if you want to just pause and then come back, or if you decide, you know what, we just want to record, you can record up to 50 plus hours of video right there on your Tablo device.
That's a good option.
Okay, now I want to show you how to navigate the app because the app's going to live on your phone, on your tablets, on your TV, on your Roku or Fire Stick. It's a whole experience. So let's go check it out right now. All right, you're ready for the live TV experience with Tablo. My last parting gift to you is a quick navigation of the whole entire experience of Tablo TV. You have your home guide, which is gonna show you everything that you want right here, basically all of your live upcoming sports, maybe some upcoming network premieres. You're gonna be able to explore all of this on your own. You even have your live program guide, but I can't help you with the next part, which is figuring out what to watch. So I'm gonna pass the torch off to you. Mao with the power. It's been a pleasure, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
Mrs. Lily, it's been very nice to meet you as well. Good luck. I'll see you guys at another time.
Football?
No, how about you record your football and I watch my crime show?
Are you looking to enhance your TV viewing experience with Tablo's convenient and affordable Tablo Total system? Visit tablotv.com to get yours today. Tablo. Pay once, watch forever. If home is where the heart is, there's probably a lawn nearby. And it's generally what you see first. Whether it's work or play, there are ways to make sure that the grass is always greener.
His passion for the lawn is just, it's ridiculous. He's out there maybe like once a week, just maintaining it.
I get a lot of joy and pride and relaxation when I'm out there doing my lawn, maintaining it.
When he's out there, I have a deep appreciation for the way that he's maintaining the lawn.
Hello, my name is Michael Lauer, Director of Business Development for SBM Life Science, makers of BioAdvanced. Today, we're southwest of Jacksonville, Florida, in beautiful Middleburg at the Lawson family home. Our goal is to provide maintenance that's easy for the lawn and garden, so individuals and families can enjoy their outdoor living spaces. Let's check it out. Thanks for inviting us in this home. I mean, people can get jealous of this yard.
A lot of hard work, you know. My neighbors always said, oh, such a, lovely lawn. That makes me feel good. Then they might come and ask me, well, Charles, what are you putting on your lawn? And I said, well, I use 3-in-1 BioAdvanced weed and feed, and that's what I put on, once or twice a year, like that. And they look and say, oh, just a great looking lawn, Charles.
Why is having a healthy lawn so important? Well, when you maintain a beautiful yard, especially like this one at the Lawson family home, it helps really prevent the major common issues that homeowners face every year. You're talking about insects, weeds, fungus, and disease. And to be able to keep a healthy, maintained lawn, guess what? It helps prevent a lot of that in the long run. How many years have you been using the blue bottle?
Probably going on 18 years now. Wow. I started up north with the fescue grass, and then I came this way south, and I kept the product going.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I love it.
When you enter this neighborhood, the Lawson yard really sticks out because it's lush and green, and when you see it up close, you could tell they maintain it properly. You know your stuff.
Oh yeah, I've been using it for years. I'm waiting for a dormant time comes so I don't have to cut as much.
What's your lawn type?
This type of grass here is St. Augustine.
Okay.
I have to stay on top of it to maintain it.
And not every brand actually can work on St. Augustine, certain varieties, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, good. Your lawn looks great.
Oh, thank you.
We're backed by science-based solutions, and we've been trusted for decades for gardeners for their lawn and garden health. Just for an example, our 3-in-1 weed and feed can take care of your Bermuda grass and St. Augustine, and you would be surprised. There are other brands in the market and products that don't do the same thing. And by the way, it kills fire ants. We have many solutions for lawn issues, such as weeds, insects, fungus, disease, and grubs. Our 5-in-1 weed and feed and our 3-in-1 weed and feed prevents crabgrass up to 6 months. When you're on top of your maintenance, you get to have a yard like Charles.
My life is better. We're able to go outside. We're able to entertain. We're able to host. We're able to gather outside. My children don't have to play in the street. They play in the yard. They play in the backyard. They play in the grass.
Curb appeal is everything to a homeowner. Having a healthy lawn where families can spend time together outside is really important. And you can do that with BioAdvanced products with a healthy green lawn.
I cannot imagine not using BioAdvanced product. The blue bottles, they just do the job.
To learn more about BioAdvanced and how it can help your lawn look healthy and beautiful, visit bioadvanced.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.
Spring is here, and so is spring cleaning. But in our new normal, with COVID still not in the rearview mirror, our approach to cleaning has definitely changed. I know mine has. For many of us, we've gone from simply just cleaning to disinfecting everything every chance we get. So we got tons of the disinfectants in every room. We got the cupboard full of paper towels. And every chance we get, we're taking one of these to pick up and wipe and try to sanitize everything. Sound familiar? Yep, I thought so. But joining us today is someone who knows the difference between cleaning and disinfecting. Bridget, come on in. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Great to have you.
Yes.
So you're an expert when it comes to teaching us how to clean our home properly.
I am an expert, yes.
Good, we need you.
Yes.
So why are we not needing to focus on this anymore?
There's a big difference between cleaning and disinfecting, and a lot of people don't realize that. So when you read the back of your disinfectant, it actually has very specific instructions on how to disinfect. And usually it says you need to leave it on the surface for anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes, but you need to leave it on the surface wet for that time. Most people take the disinfectant and then they just wipe.
That's me.
So what's the point? You're not disinfecting, right? Whereas when you clean a surface, you are removing germs from the surface. When you use a disinfectant, you're killing the germs from the surface.
Let me show you this
Yes.
because I'm sure that you've seen this a million times, and
Yeah.
usually we would take one of these
Right.
and wipe it, throw it away, and think it's clean.
With this, all you need to use is the e-cloth.
Oh, what's e-cloth?
E-cloth is all about cleaning with water.
Is it a microfiber?
It is microfiber, and I always say it's the king of microfiber. And basically, it's a very easy way to clean, a very effective, and it's literally for everyday cleaning in your home.
And
right?
you just said with water. That's all you need?
With water. And this is our kitchen cloth, and on the kitchen cloth, it removes 99% of bacteria from the surface. So basically, I wet the cloth under the faucet, right? Get that nice and warm, then I squeeze it out, and then as you see this spaghetti sauce splatter, I'm just gonna clean that up, and then once I rinse it, 99% of the bacteria goes down the drain.
Goes down the drain.
Yes. Whereas if you use those wipes, you're using a bunch of wipes, like you said, which means you're throwing them in the garbage. You said they're expensive, so think of the savings.
So where else can I use this?
E-cloth can be used all over your home, but one place that I love to use it is on my windows and glass.
Oh, my nemesis.
Let me show you.
Okay, Bridget, so here we have the glass table, and here we have my go-to, and we have also the tons of paper towels that I always use to clean it, and I mean, I think it's okay, but are you saying I don't need this?
You don't need it.
Really?
You do not need it.
What do I do?
Basically, you're gonna use the e-cloth window cleaning cloth and then the glass and polishing. It comes in a kit because when you use this forbidden formula as well as paper towels, they, first of all, cost you a lot of money.
True.
And there's a ton of waste. And does it work?
I mean, I think it does. I mean, you're telling me.
Try it.
All right, but you're telling me this and water is gonna work better than this.
Exactly. You clean your side and I'll clean mine.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Look at all the paper towels you used.
Yeah.
And now what are you gonna do with those?
Throw them away.
Right. And look at all the streaks.
And I do have the streaks.
And no streaks here.
Doesn't work as well as I thought it. Wow, look at that.
And look how quick it was.
So this did this without any product at all except for water.
Right. And our cloths.
Wow. How else can you save us some money?
Let me show you. So the cleaning pad works really, really well and basically replaces people having to use paper towels. So as you can see, I have this big spill on the counter.
You do.
Actually, if you want, why don't you just use paper towels on it?
No, thank you. Let me
You
just
sure?
grab this from you.
All right.
Absolutely sure. Let me just go right to it here. Wow, and this is dry and clean.
Yes.
Incredible.
Yes.
Where else can we use the e-cloth around the house?
You can use it in your kitchen, you can use it in the bathroom, you can use it in your shower, you can use, we have a mopping system, so you can use it for your floors, dusters, we have a dusting cloth, a dusting glove, and then we have scrubbers and sponges. So we pretty much have it all, and it all is the same type of focus. You're just using water to clean those surfaces.
So there's an e-cloth for everything that we can clean.
There is.
Okay, so where can we find out more about e-cloth?
Just go to ecloth.com.
Thank you so much, Bridget, for being here. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.